Sentry is a modern error monitoring and software observability platform that helps developers identify, diagnose, and fix issues in their applications. It provides real-time visibility into errors, crashes, and performance issues in web and mobile applications, enabling teams to quickly identify and resolve problems before they impact users. The Sentry platform is designed to be highly customizable and easy to integrate with existing workflows and development tools. It supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, including Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and Java, and provides a range of features to help developers diagnose and fix issues, including error tracking. Sentry automatically captures errors and crashes in real time, providing detailed information about the error, including the stack trace, error message, and context. Performance monitoring. Sentry can track the performance of web and mobile applications, helping developers identify bottlenecks and optimize application performance. Release tracking. Sentry can track the performance of different versions of an application, allowing developers to identify and compare performance issues across different releases. Custom dashboards. Sentry provides customizable dashboards that allow developers to track key performance metrics and quickly identify issues. Sentry also integrates with a wide range of third-party tools and services, including Slack, Jira, GitHub, and more, allowing developers to easily incorporate error tracking and monitoring into their existing workflows. One of the key features of Sentry is its ability to provide detailed information about errors and crashes in real time. When an error occurs, Sentry captures a range of data about the error, including the stack trace, error message, and context, and provides developers with a user-friendly interface for reviewing and diagnosing the issue. Sentry also provides a range of tools to help developers optimize application performance. This includes performance monitoring features, which allow developers to track performance metrics like page load times, network requests, and database queries. Sentry can also track the performance of different versions of an application, allowing developers to identify and compare performance issues across releases. Another key feature of Sentry is its customizability. The platform provides a range of customization options, including custom dashboards, alerts, and integrations with third-party tools and services. This allows developers to tailor the platform to their specific needs and workflows, and to easily incorporate error tracking and monitoring into their existing development processes. In addition to its core features, Sentry also offers a range of additional tools and services to support developers. This includes a community-driven library of integrations and plugins, as well as a range of support and training resources to help developers get the most out of the platform. Overall, Sentry is a powerful and flexible tool for developers looking to improve the reliability, performance, and user experience of their web and mobile applications. Its real-time error tracking and monitoring capabilities, coupled with its customizable dashboards and integrations, make it a popular choice for teams looking to streamline their development workflows and improve the quality of their applications.